Yeah, I got this boat, RC boat. They say it should go up to 15 miles an hour, and let's just test it. It's actually smaller than I thought. See if you put your hand like this. It's like, yeah, I thought it was gonna be like twice as bigger, but let's check it out. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty fast. It's pulling to the right though. And I did not charge the battery. Battery died. Why is it pulling to the right? The radio distance is pretty good. See how far that is? The only thing I don't like that it's pulling to the right. I have to read the manual. Another cool thing about this is they were right that you can play for around 30 minutes. I played for like 20 minutes and I'm already tired, and it still works. Still writes. As you can see. So the playtime is around 30 minutes. When I open it, as you can see, there is water in it. I don't know how, but it does get into it. So, because there's no seal here or something. So these are the motors, and as you can see, one propeller is longer than the other one. Maybe that's the reason it's pulling to the right or something. I have to read the manual. Maybe I can adjust them so it wouldn't be pulling. This is the charger. That's the manual, and it says don't play continuously for more than 20 minutes. Take a next running after the boat's electric motors is cool. So they do not provide batteries for the remote, only for the boat. And as you can see, this is the plug-in, and that's the charging port. You have to disconnect the boat when you are charging it. side. Oh yeah, it's on the other side. Go ahead and there we go, flip it. It's charging. So I disconnected the boat and connected the battery. Also, they say they have a indicator that when you get low voltage on the battery, the boat is gonna slow down and you will have like 2 minutes to get back. They also provide a stand for the boat, racing boat. This is how it looks on the stand. I can just cover this. So it is kind of smaller than what I expected. So if it was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and other videos.